The update that came out today is important for the Bitcoin business. Since Bitcoin's historic ETF approval, XRP has been the talk of the town thanks to its own ETP, which is a precursor to the much-anticipated XRP ETF. Because of this change, the price of XRP has skyrocketed to an amazing $16.31 per coin, which is a big jump from its present market value of $0.58. We first talked about this chance a few days ago, and as we thought, reliable sources have confirmed that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has accepted the Bitcoin and XRP applications, but there's more. According to people who know, the XRP ETF will likely be accepted in the next few weeks. This means that it is more than just a possibility. Top experts and people who work in the U.S. Congress have said this again and again. A new report from Bloomberg says that the XRP ETF could go live before Ethereum's ETF. This would be a big step forward. Let's catch up for a moment before we get to the main point of this. Peace. Please do me a favor. To join our great group, click like, subscribe, and ring that bell. The effects are huge, and experts think that XRP could go up between $100 and $500. Things should move quickly, maybe even before the end of the month. In this video, we'll talk about the most talked about Bloomberg study, which looks at how the XRP ETF, which is about to go live, may change its market value. Please watch the featured video that comes next, and stay tuned as we break down this important news. A lot of people are likely to file for Ethereum, in my opinion. I think we might even see something for Ripple. You can see that Grayscale just recently added Ripple to one of its trusts that is open to the public. It wouldn't surprise me if Ethereum or Ripple started to offer ETFs because of this. In our most recent report, we talked about an important change in the world of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Grayscale, a major cryptocurrency player, has added XRP to their holdings and recognized its revolutionary role in cross-border payments. They plan to use the XRP ledger in the Ripplenet system to make cross-border transfers work well, which is a big deal. But that's not all the news. Ripple Labs, the business that makes it possible for major banks to use the XRP ledger for transactions, has taken a chance. They are going to buy back more than 1 billion XRP from the market. Their investment of more than $285 million to buy back company shares is in line with this estimated repurchase, which has made Ripple Labs worth an amazing $11 billion. It's really interesting that XRP has effects outside of financial companies. The government is also upset about it. The cryptocurrency community is paying attention to Binance's recent move to stop all withdrawals of XRP around the world. A lot of guesses have been made about this quick move. A theory that is becoming more common says that the ban and the U.S. Federal Reserve's interest in XRP may be linked. Several rumors say that the Federal Reserve is considering taking over XRP as a digital currency and possibly getting involved in Ripple Labs' business operations. There is also talk about making it illegal for regular people to buy XRP. This would make it a cutting-edge option in the American banking system. But that's not the end of the story. After these events, we saw some strange behavior in a number of conversations. For some reason, the price of XRP quickly rose above $4,000 on a number of well-known exchanges. There is now a greater chance that XRP has hidden value worth tens of thousands of dollars because of this unexpected mistake. In answer to a frequently asked question, let's look at an interesting aspect of how XRP prices change. What will happen to the value of XRP if it is bought or leased? I'm going to use an example to explain this idea. Think about a network of garden hoses and a center when 5 1-inch lines come together. They make a very flexible 1-inch hose. This isn't a very good example because the other end of the hose could split off again. Think about this. When only one hose is turned on, it doesn't do much. When you turn on a second hose, you'll see that the center hose starts to get longer. This growth shows that XRP is becoming more valuable. When all the hoses are working, the center hose needs to get a lot bigger to handle the higher flow. There is more than one move going on here. This is meant to be a metaphor for the trade that happens between countries all the time. This steady flow of money needs a stable means like XRP, whose value will rise sharply because there aren't many of them. Because it plays such an important role in handling this ongoing financial current, XRP's price could go up in either of these two scenarios. There are two main ways that the value of XRP could change, which we will now break down. If you owned XRP, think about these scenarios. There are two ways for the coin's value to go up. It's not just about the things you own. It's important for everyone. This kind of spike would make people notice your business and make it a big player in the cryptocurrency space. By making each coin more expensive, this choice increases the liquidity that the system needs to work well. On the other hand, there is an approach that isn't as flashy but works just as well. This means that more coins need to be made. By increasing the number of coins in circulation, the system keeps running at the same prices. But this choice doesn't have the same thrill or possible prize as the first one. When it comes to businesses, I believe that they want to increase their value and show that their investment was worthwhile. They want people from all over the world to be interested in them and for their clients to be happy without being upset. If you think this way, you might be thinking about a goal price point before you decide to print more money. It is worth $20 billion on the stock market right now, which is a lot of money. Now, think about this case. The value of XRP on the market could reach that much if large asset managers decide to tokenize their holdings on the XRP system. These things are worth about $40 trillion. Adding this would completely change the game, and it would make one XRP worth an amazing $785. With a little more than 1,200 XRP, you could become a millionaire. But let's use our imaginations even more. Think about a situation where XRP is the center of all financial transactions, the pizza that all the financial fixings are spread out on. If this were to happen, each XRP coin might become worth about $100,000 more. People say that XRP could reach hundreds of thousands of dollars these days, and it doesn't seem too far-fetched. This exercise helps us understand why people are making such bold claims about XRP and shows how much promise it has in the financial ecosystem. This brings us to an important point about XRP's future and its role in the global banking system. However, if there was a strong trend toward tokenizing assets on the XRP system, the price of XRP would also change. A big shift could happen in the whole area of digital finance. Future. XRP could be at the head of a huge change that makes fiat currencies and even traditional assets find a new home on the blockchain. The spread effect, if you will, of this kind of thing goes beyond the price of XRP. This could change liquidity, asset management, and even how we think about money and investment. Because XRP can connect many different assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even national currencies, it could start a new era of open finance. As these events go on, investors and everyday XRP users become more and more important. Having XRP may be about more than just making money. It could also have something to do with being a part of a new financial shift that changes the way value is stored and sent. At this point, the predictions that XRP would hit hundreds of thousands of dollars may seem like guesswork, but understanding the ideas and possibilities behind these numbers opens up a world of possibilities. In the future, digital assets like XRP are very important to the world economy and are changing the way we think about money and how we trade value. Check back often as we continue to look into these interesting new developments and give you updates on XRP's growth in the digital economy, which is changing very quickly. Remember that I am not licensed as a financial planner. The material of these videos is only meant to be watched for fun. I always tell my viewers to do their study and talk to experts before making any financial decisions. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to click subscribe and thumbs up if you liked the movie. Also, make sure you turn on the alerts so you'll be the first to know when I post something new. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next movie. Watch out.